Yeah, hi everyone. This one. So especially like the last yesterday's, if you look at yesterday, what was happening at the end, short positions were building up. It fell, and then today here right at the bottom, like here I mentioned. So 11:43 a.m. I mentioned that like support is coming. So yes, I mean that was a major hint. And so Nifty was at, around that time. Nifty was at 25,100, and after that, like it went to 250 plus. Right here also it was going up and calls were getting pumped up, and then here right here you saw, you can see like in model 5 we got that call writing and put buying, and right after that it fell. Just as I opened the live stream, so this buying signal came in and then this sell signal. So basically here what is happening, straddles are forming. So both side short positions are building up. Like put writing is also going on. So the put writing amount here is 123 CR, and the call writing amount is 149 CR. So almost equal, and also like this one is there 40 CR, 40.9, so 41. So almost equal amount of put writing and call writing is going on, and so basically like its straddle is forming at 200. Short straddle. Hello. Yeah. So if you see like Bank Nifty, the push came in like right from the bottom there. Yeah, hi Punendu. Sure. Okay. Call writing has been done here, here, here. So the charts have bent. Like here, if you see the amount is 171 CR. Here it is 89 CR. Here it is 149 CR. Call writing has been done. So the index was taken up and call writing was done. Now short straddle here formed. Like you can see put writing and call writing side by side whenever these two happen. So it's like the big institutions are doing short straddle. Call bias, you see the deep green. So the deep green part is the call bias, but we don't follow the buying data because buy is mostly done by the big institutions for hedging purpose. I'm not saying always, like sometimes they also buy, but mostly. And also we have it on the charts like the deep green. So and all these buy and sell signals that you see, they are being generated using the writing data, like call writing and the put writing. In M5 some call buyers were present here just before this pump, just here at this candle. Again some put buyers are also there in M5. And here is the result for today, like the live positions that are getting formed by the algo. So far these are the positions that have been taken, and I think like the last position also got exit. The total points captured is 93. So yesterday it made a loss, like it took only one trade, and it was minus 30 points. The last all the results I have posted it, and so this is the result for the automated system. Like again, still the market is live, it can further take positions. So as soon as it takes a position, so like it updates here as well. Difference between model 1, so all the buy and the sell signal that you can see are coming from model 1 only. Okay, so okay, and model 5, as I told, like I keep it for reference. So model 5 captures the very high frequency ones. Okay, so that is the difference. Like the model 1 is basically involving everything, like I have given the description here as well, so you can see like model 1 is high frequency, and the hedge funds, like all these institutions, big institutions, everything. So the M5 is the like very high frequency ones, like so all big institutions don't do a HFT. So model 1 consists of every tries to capture any big institution, but model 5 is like especially those big HFTs, very high frequency algos. Yeah, so the very thing is like, how do I know all these? Like, so this is all fake. Yes, I mean, it's correct that like you cannot get big institutions data. Like, I can't go and tell any big institution that give me your trading positions. So obviously not. So this is being I mean, the analysis is being done with the help of a model that we have come across, we have made, and so that model is predicting with let's say with a high probability it detects something. So it says that like this is here, call writing has happened, put writing has happened, buying, and so on. Yeah, Sensex chart is on 1 minute time frame only. Yes, here one is written. You can see like even Nifty also 1 minute chart. If you want to see like on 3 minutes chart, if you want lesser number of trades or less number of signals, you can go for the 3 minutes chart. Okay, so the 3 minutes chart, 5 minutes chart. Sorry. The 5 minutes chart. So since I am mostly a scalper, so I use 1 minute chart. But again, like suppose if you are on a trade and so the 1 minute chart can give you better insight like what is currently actually just now happening. So so even if you want to look at the performance of the M5 model, so just check here. Here was a big put writing that happened. So that also like that's why I posted here at 11:43 also, like in the model one also the put writers came in. So that's why like if you see here, that is a big put writing happened here, and Nifty went up, right? I mean slightly came down to that exact level and finally pumped up from there, and yes, yes, and also like in the morning also there were some like put writers here. So this pump came in, and if you zoom in, like here some call buyers were present, very less, but some call buyers were present. And mostly we have seen the move comes like a big move comes when writing is being done, like put writing, call writing. So right now if you see here, this one, the call writers came in, and so like let me print the buy and the sell signals. Yeah, so if you see here, that is right at the top there. So the sell signal came in right at the bottom here. So signals right at the start also, if you see here, and then here some like put writing was going on. So as I say, like you get the signal way early, like so sometimes you have to wait for the pump or whichever direction the signal is coming. So or maybe you can go for like higher time frame, so like let's say 5 minutes to reduce the noise. And yeah, so here to reduce the noise, but you miss certain signals, like as you saw, like this red signal here, sell signal is not coming, so you miss certain signals, like even this one right at the bottom there. So that is the thing, like if we go on 3 minutes, on 1 minute you get a very very clear picture. So this is the 3 minute situation of the model 5, and this is on 1 minute. So whenever these type of put writing happen, so you become like a cautious, like even though Nifty falls, so you become cautious that market can turn upside. So there is a high possibility, and finally you saw like whatever was the fall, so all these put writers were there, and here in between there was no call writing. So only call buying and put writing in the model 5, the quantum model, and then after that, like Nifty recovered the whole thing, that it came down, and this one as well. Here also some put buyers were active. Like if you see, if I buy the if I print the buy and the sell signals with respect to the buyers data as well. So here you see some put buyers were also there. So even here as well. Cryptocurrency, no. So actually, like on TradingView, they still haven't started crypto option chain. So that's why, like, but still I have made something like in crypto. Uh, Let me show you. So this is the one that I've made in crypto. So this is 5 minutes chart. Yeah, so this only prints the buy and the sell signal on the chart. So even like here, right before this fall started, like the fall started like in BTC. So I posted on X as well. So here and right here, if you see, there was buying and it went up. So this is the kind of thing, like I have made it in BTC. So and yeah, so if you go and check out, like so that big fall that happened that day. Yeah, so this one. So so when the sell signal came in, like I posted right there, and after that, like there was a big fall. So the option chain is available for the US market, MCX, commodities. But commodities, there is one problem, that is people don't trade in options, people mostly trade in futures. So option chain is like empty for gold and other silver and mini gold and so on, gold mini, and only the option chain for commodities that is working is like people are trading is crude oil and natural gas. So for that I have made it, and the US market is also there, and yeah, the Indian market and all the FNO stocks are there. So this version is for the like FNO for the Indian market, like all the stocks have been listed, and So as I told you, like here, short straddles are forming, and now you can see like this 200 straddle premium came down. So right here, like side by side call writing and put writing happened, and almost of equal amount. Like if you see, the put writing amount is 123 and this one was put writing is 40, so 163. Here it was 149, so 150 cr of call writing. So 160 cr of put writing, 150 cr of call writing. So almost the same amount, and so that was the thing. Like here, if you see right now, some call buys are there in M5, so they should push it upward. Just go and check out like 25 100 C. Like here, there were some buyers in the Model 5. No, you can't get data from all strikes. Like, so I basically select ATM, and out of the money I select 5 to 6 strikes. Put traders are coming in. Yeah, sure. Also, you can go and check out the past performance as well. So, like I have come on many special days like the expiry days and shown you live how it performs. And also there are several posts on X as well, so which you can refer again. If you have any queries or questions, you can ask. So these signals that you see, like we have to change the ATM for that. 12:30 was here. This one. So like the thing is that like you can enter and exit very quickly also, like the move comes very if you're a seller then you don't have to worry much, but if you're a buyer then you can like take those entry and exit like quickly, because most of the times you don't have to wait a lot for the move to come. The move mostly instantly comes. Yes, and also I'm not saying that this is 100%, all signals are 100% correct. Some signals also goes wrong. So if you see this sell signal, so here they tried but failed. So again here they win. I missed this one. So there was a chance, because here put writing happened and then it went down, so it wasn't making sense for these put writers. So they averaged it out and then finally I think got out or something. Anyways. I mean, don't average it out. Like, I would better say that, like, if it did not work out, just like, I mean, at a minimal loss, get out. Again, no. That small loss can be easily recovered. So I mean, even if you like see how I trade, so just let me show you with a screenshot. So even if you see here like this, so uh, I take it at like 70, then 2 rupees I close it, 77, then I 80 at I close it, 82 I closed it at 84. So I was doing all these like right now, so I was live also. So I mean, this is the way I do it. Like I see the signals and see how a little bit about the price behaviors, and then like so that I can scalp that thing. And yeah, so like here you can see 42, 44, 73. um, yeah, so 73 and I think 82. This I close somewhere, I think 15, 6, 14, 45. Yeah, so oh, this was rejected, yes. So yes, and then here again 82, 84. So you can see like 2 points or 3 points I get and I just exit. So I mean, let's say on an average you have like 700 to 1500 lots, not lots, sorry, so and you get 10 points also. So I mean, it's a very good thing, like, and with so many opportunities you can there is a high probability that you can grab 10 points. So don't do like some do like that. Suppose if you are thinking like that, so what you can do is, as soon as the price is above 3 or above, so you can place a SL at 3. That so suppose now it goes above by 10, so then you can decide that whether you can close at 10 points profit or not. But your 3 rupees gets locked, so that profit gets locked. Or you can trail profits after, let's say, the price has moved about 2 points, so you can trail the profits, or at every 2 points it captures 1 point. So like that you can do it. But yes, I also will do it like that. So mostly I scalp like that. So 2 to 3 points I just place the order. And I mean, again, don't go like to some very extent, like suppose you have got a very nice uh, profit for the day, just leave the screen. I mean, what happens is one wrong signal, and you will. What happens is like you will have a lot of faith on the signals because 90% of them works. Okay, so this is this is another problem. I've also seen like in from my side as well as from user point of view also I've seen like so the thing is that since I mean, at least 80. Okay, so at least out of 10 signals, 8 to 9 signals will work. Okay, so your confidence becomes very, very high. So suppose even sometimes one signal doesn't work, so you will hold on to it thinking, I mean, your confidence will be going so high that you will be holding on to it. So that's why, like, I always say that like close it. Like if like here if I think I also grabbed 2 points here, but I don't remember actually. So but even with that also like I get 2 to 3 points also. So it's not about like yes this did not work out. So even with this also like I get sometimes maybe 2 points to scalp also. So uh, so so yes, like even if it did not work out, like it goes up, so just cancel it out. Like again, like enter whenever you get the next signal, and you can see here the buy signal came and it's moving up. Always try to, like, if you're scalping, try to scalp in the money, within the money, because sometimes on especially on expiry at the money, like hardly moves 1 point also sometimes. So and yes, I mean you might also tell that if it is not moving in your direction also, so then in the money will you will lose more. So the main point is that the signals, they as soon as they come, so the move comes, there's a high probability. Like with simply like this move only, you could have captured more than like the one that I told at the very bottom, like here, that is the support was coming. Yeah, so this one. So right there at the bottom only, like with this only, you could have captured, let's say, more than 20 points. And whenever things like this happens, like in Sensex as well as in Nifty, also the same thing is happening. So it's a good to go. Again in M5 also, like we had that put writing right there at the bottom. Yeah, so people don't like yesterday I got really offended, but anyways I learned it the hard way that see what happens is like you come online and दो चार लोगों को गालियाँ दो, you get engagement, you get a lot of engagements and everything. So this is what the generation is like going towards, and people really like. So that's why you see like people like the ISRO director is earning 2.5 lakhs per month, and someone who is coming online and making videos with slangs earning in CR. So you can't help it, like that is how things have become. So yes, currently like I'm working on the part where like the thing will be automated. So with this signals, like automating selling is not that difficult. So option selling is very easy. Like with whenever the signal comes with some, we'll be taking some levels near to that and some support and all these things, and might be with some SL we can easily sell and maybe hedge as well, or maybe do ratios 1:2 or 1:3. So selling can be easily automated, but buying is the one, like because you have to buy and get out at the correct time also. So selling you can wait like for the decay part, but buying you mostly you won't be able to wait. So that's why like still working on that, and yeah, so like with the help of the HFT, so this is the thing, like I'm working on how to automate it, and also like someone has automated with some other idea as well, purely option buying. So so this is purely option buying, and so this is the result, like it's getting posted here, and all the trades are getting live posted here as well. So these are the trades it took today. So as you can see, the time is written here, and the strikes, the type C or entry or exit, and at a time it is taking only one buying position, and this is the last traded price, and this is the where the index spot price is, and this is the exit price. So it took at like 61 and exited at 104.55, and also this is not very much aggressive, like it does not take too much of trades also. It takes a trade, it waits for like for like it to go into profit, or maybe like close at a loss, but not very aggressive one like my one. And so this is the current PNL, and the total PNL means like how many points it has captured in this trade. and so this is the count of the trades, and this is MTM, means like this is the maximum profit that went into like while the position was open, and this is the maximum loss while the position was open. Okay, so similarly for the others as well. And here finally you have like 93 points it captured today overall. Like the last day also, it made a loss of 30 points, but only took one trade yesterday. So but yes, so the person who is running, so they said that like yesterday they were late in running it, so might be some problem came in. So yes, again the rest of the results have been shared also, like in one of the posts like I shared, and I shared the sheet where all these results are there. So again, I mean, you can think that all these are fake, like I have someone has written it after the market hours or something. So so yes, like we can put it live also. So as you all know, like those who have been following me for a very long time, that like whatever is there I say it directly, like it's not like I have to hide something or so. So this is the testing going on for this model, and so this is like right now also you can punch the orders directly in your broker's terminal, but yes, we are still looking for like to see what happens, and like how it performs in the forward test. And also like here if you see, it took three trades on Friday, last Friday, and captured 31.85 points. This day it captured 25 points and 22 points, 74 points or 75 almost, and 20 points loss. So even last Monday also it made a loss, and this Monday also it made a loss. So maybe like Mondays it's having some problem, but anyways, so again this is not my work, it's someone else's work. So they have shared it with me, and yeah, so if it's successful, so we might be like going forward with it as well. So yes, it's in testing phase currently, the automated system. So this will be one automated system, and the other one that I am also trying to develop it from my HFT algo. So yes, so that's what I'm working on as well. So but my algo will be a little bit aggressive, so it might be like going my style, like it will capture 2 points and get out, and again might be if market is moving in that direction, it will again enter and capture. So yes, but so again, users will have both options, like one which is not aggressively trading, and also like on our also like if you go on 5 minutes chart, so it's not that aggressive, like so maybe like one we so if you want lesser number of trades, so you can go on 5 minutes or 3 minutes chart. So yeah, so we can do that. So yeah, so this work is currently going on, and let's see how we progress, and if it's successful, so then it will be a very big success, because so the very first thing is that we have made like one statement that you have heard, we have proved it wrong. So the statement was like only a liar and a god can capture reversals from exact top or bottom. So that we have proved wrong. So an indicator, a code is now able to do it. And the next thing is that option bias, 90% of the option bias loses in the market. So maybe there, if we can do something, because you don't find any automated system in option buying which is working perfectly. So maybe that's where the hard part comes into it. So that's why it's challenging, and that's why like the work we are doing here is like will be a little bit challenging, and if it's successful, so it will be a big one. So anyways, so far like this algo is running fine. So far it's generating overall good profit. Not only that, like, And also with this algo, like you can also do something like this where if it captures 20 points, so it will close for the day. So many things can be done. So anyways, so looking forward to a successful journey. So if you have any queries or questions, you can ask. Otherwise, I'll end it here. Okay, guys. So that's it for today. I hope you had a great day. Again, if you liked the work, so please don't forget to put a like, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one.